Hello guys, here is Learning Vid. Welcome to this video. We're here to learn lots of interesting and attractive skills. So, stay with me. In the last lesson, I showed you how the web works, which I put the link above. In this set of videos I want to introduce you to the practicalities of web development. You'll set up the tools you need to construct a simple web page and publish your own simple code. The story of your first website. It's a lot of work to create a professional website, so if you're new to web development, I encourage you to start small. You won't build another Facebook right away, but it's not hard to make your own simple website online, so I'll start there. By working through the steps I'll describe them for you, you will go from nothing to getting your first web page online. Let's begin our journey. Installing basic software. When it comes to tools for building a website, there's a lot to pick from. If you're just starting, you might be confused by the array of code editors, frameworks, and testing tools out there. In later videos, I will show you step by step how to install the software you need to begin some basic web development. What will your website look like? Before you start writing the code for your website, you should plan it first. What information are you showcasing? What fonts and colors are you using? I'll outline a simple method that you can follow to plan out your site's content and design. Dealing with files. A website consists of many files: text content, code, style sheets, media content, and so on. When you're building a website, you need to assemble these files into a sensible structure and make sure they can talk to one another. I'll explain how to set up a sensible file structure for your website and what issues you should be aware of. HTML basics. Hypertext Markup Language, HTML, is the code that you use to structure your web content and give it meaning and purpose. For example, is my content a set of paragraphs or a list of bullet points? Do I have images inserted on my page? Do I have a data table? Without overwhelming you, I will provide enough information to make you familiar with HTML. CSS basics. Cascading style sheets, CSS, is the code that you use to style your website. For example, do you want the text to be black or red? Where should content be drawn on the screen? What background images and colors should be used to decorate your website? I'll take you through what you need to get started. JavaScript basics. JavaScript is the programming language that you use to add interactive features to your website. Some examples could be games, things that happen when buttons are pressed or data is entered in forms, dynamic styling effects, animation, and much more. I'll give you an idea of what is possible with this exciting language, and how to get started. Publishing your sample code. Once you have finished writing the code and organizing the files that make up your website, you need to put it all online so people can find it. I'll describe how to get your simple sample code online with minimum effort. Be sure to follow the next parts of this tutorial. I hope this tutorial is useful for you. If you liked this video, be sure to like this video. Subscribe Learning Vid channel. Activate the bell next to it. Don't miss the next videos. I love you very much. Until next tutorial. Goodbye.